The products that connect us, move us, guide our way, and change our lives forever are born when inspired minds couple innovative ideas with solid engineering. When designers and engineers are empowered to create, interact, and refine, to test, validate, and fabricate, all through a single intuitive solution. Introducing the Altair Inspire platform, a disruptive software technology enabling simulation-driven design throughout the entire product development process, from concept to creation. Used throughout the design process, Altair Inspire empowers the creation of designs that are focused on both performance and manufacturability. Explore, develop, and manufacture high-performance products in a single development environment. With minimal training, designers and design engineers can generate optimal concepts, analyze complex structures, and assess manufacturing processes through a seamless user experience that saves time and reduces cost. This results in higher quality, better performing products that are lighter, stronger, faster, and in market before the competition. The Altair Inspire platform is available under the same affordable license as a desktop application or as a cloud-based solution, with advanced features for team collaboration, secure data management, and on-demand high-performance computing. Join the thousands of makers and product innovators who use Altair Inspire to solve their design challenges every day.